everything that we do, we keep our students in mind.
I think that we all feel like our students are important and we want to see them find success not just today, but as they move forward in their futures.
They have such an advantage because there's so many opportunities available. Like if we sit down and we just talk about how to use something for hours and hours and hours, I'm not going to remember how to use it, and neither do they, but if I can actually get in there and press the buttons and feel what it feels like and sometimes smell what it smells like and hear what it sounds like, you know, that's when that stuff sticks.
For a school our size, we have so many AP opportunities, and those AP classes are a lot of work. I really do expect them to work hard and reach their potential.
I'm a graduate of the high school here, was in all of the plays, was in all of the musicals. I know what that meant to me. It gave me a place to belong, and I have since moved on from doing shows in this very theater to working for a global lighting and rigging manufacturing company. And it all stemmed from my start here doing theater. So it's really important for me that that same opportunity exists for the students that are currently enrolled within the district and continue to enroll in the future.
It's all about developing them, and I truly believe that it will contribute to a better community down the road when our students graduate and go into the workforce, or they go to college, or after that.
And every day we work on positive behavior interventions. As you're here, if you stopped a student, they would be able to tell you the Hornet way because they hear it every day.
That alone will help them to be more prepared as they move out of the school system and into college or into a job. Just that rigor and pushing themselves.
You know, they're going to have no problem finding a path that they're going to be able to be very successful in. And so that's what we're trying to develop.